Hi guys, I just put these four by 8 by 1 foot garden beds together. They were so easy to assemble. I think I had each one done in about 10 minutes. It's 6 pieces altogether. They get put together. Then you have this plastic edge that goes on the corner, which is awesome because that is an exposed cut metal piece underneath there. Each corner is 6 screws. And then underneath there is a little um I'm going to call it a pin that goes into the ground. You hammer into the ground so that it secures it in place. Across the sides, it's 3 of those little metal poles to keep it together. The galvanized steel is pretty thick. Um, it's made very well. It has a 3-year warranty, and I really like it. Like I said, it was very easy to put together. This is my first year doing gardening like this, and I thought it was a great experience. Very easy, and you can see here, we have 4 of them. We haven't filled them yet. We're going to do that this weekend, but I highly recommend these. They are very well made, and I'm very happy with our purchase.